Hello everyone. I am Professor Amit Vyas, Computer IT Department from Dr. Subhash Technical Camp. Today we are discuss about the topic is asynchronous data transfer. So what is asynchronous data transfer? We can show that a data transfer between two independent units where the internal timing in each unit is independent from each other. It is called asynchronous data transfer. In asynchronous data transfer, we can show one stop control, handshaking, and timing. So, first of all, we saw about what is the stop and how can you use in asynchronous data transfer. So, some of the short description here we can show about the stop is a one type of signal. So, we can show about some details. So, the stop control method of asynchronous data transfer, a single control line to time to each transfer. It means stop may be active at the source or destination unit, as shown in figure. So this is the diagrams of stop. Stop is a one type of signal. It is generated either source or destination unit. So the data bus carries the binary information from the source unit to the destination. This is the one data bus. What is the data bus? The data bus is carry the binary information from source to destination. It means the data transfer between source to destination in data bus. Stop is a one type of signal. The source remove the data from data bus briefly period after it disable it stop plus signal. It means stop will be disabled in source unit, then data transfer will be stopped. Here, our problem is no acknowledgement signal we can occupy. So how can you transfer the data from source to destination? It means source unit will be generate one signal. This name is a stop, and after some times data bus through data will be transferred. No acknowledgement signal we can provide for destination unit. So this is the stop for source to destination. So now next is stop from destination to source. What is the destination to source? As shown in figure, the data transfer initially by the destination unit. In this case, destination unit will be active the stop plus and inform the source to provide the data. It means the stop signal will be generated from the destination unit and the signal will be transferred from destination to source, and then after source will be provide the data from destination based on the data. The source unit is response by the placing the requesting the binary information on the data bus. The data must be valid and remain the bus long encourage the destination unit will be accepted. In short, we can explain it. How can you show the stop will be destination to source? In destination unit, will be generate one signal. The signal name will be stop. The signal will be transferred from source unit. Then after, source will be transfer the data from data bus to destination unit. But here we can now provide the acknowledgement signal. So this is one problem is stop signal. Stop is not provide the acknowledgement signal. So this is one stop signal. Then next is handshaking. In handshaking, the handshaking method solves the problems of the stop method by introducing the second control signal. They can provide and reply to the unit that initially transfer. It means the stop signal is not provide the acknowledgement signal, and this problem is solved the handshaking. So we can show about the handshaking. What is the handshaking? Handshaking is one part is source to destination. The data bus transfer the data from source to destination. This is the diagrams of the handshaking method from source to destination. We can show about the some of the short description. A source unit is transfer one signal from source to destination, and signal name we say data will be valid. Then after destination unit is reply the signal, and the signal name is data will be accepted. Then after source unit send the data in database. So how can you show that? The source unit is transfer one signal. The signal name is a data will be valid. And destination unit receive the signal is data will be valid. Then after is reply that the data will be accepted. Then after source unit is transfer the data from data bus. So we can show that here the acknowledgement signal will be provided. So data will be transferred from data bus, but initial condition the source to destination, source will be generate one signal. The signal name is a data will be valid. Then after destination is reply this signal is data will be accepted. So this method is a source to destination in handshaking. This is some diagrams. How can you sequence? We can follow that. Now the next is handshaking from destination to source. This is the importance of handshaking, and this is the destination to source. This source unit and then destination unit. We can show the diagrams is destination unit one generate one signal is ready for the data. Then after source unit we can reply the data will be valid, and source unit transport the data from data bus. After we can reply for data will be valid. So this is one important and now we saw about some short description. Handshaking is destination to source. The name of the signal is generated by the destination unit. The name is ready for a data. The source is receive the signal ready for a data. Then after put the data on data bus and also send the signal data will be valid. So data will be transferred from data bus from source to destination. So how can you transfer the data from source to destination? The signal we can generate from destination unit is ready for a data. Receive the signal. Then after source unit transfer the signal will be data will be valid. Then after data will be transferred from data bus through source to destination. So this is the handshaking between destination to source. The signal will be generated by the destination. So what is the importance of handshaking? The disadvantage of stop method is the source unit is initially transferred, have no way to acknowledge the destination unit has actually received the data in item in a particular trace or database. This is one disadvantage. Similarly, destination unit is initially transferred or any signal. There are no way to acknowledgement in database. But this problem is solved in handshaking. Handshaking method will be provided in acknowledgement. So handshaking method will be best. So one is a timing. What is the timing? The data transfer is not be completed. Such an error can be detected means timeout message will can provided. In handshaking is provide one acknowledgement signal, so we can provide some timing. It means some time data will can be stored. So this is the stop. Stop is a one type of signal. We can show that first. Asynchronous data transfer. Stop. Stop is a one type of signal. And handshaking method we can show that and time. So this is complete explanation of the asynchronous data transfer. Thank you, all of you.